On the same day California topped 125,000 coronavirus cases, state officials released guidelines allowing individual counties to begin reopening gyms, bars, campgrounds, professional sports and a wide range of businesses as early as next Friday.
Several Bay Area counties including Alameda County and Contra Costa County also announced guidance to move deeper into Phase 2 of reopening Friday, but state officials went a step further and offered detailed plans for counties that wish to move into Phase 3 of a four-phase plan for loosening California's stay-at-home order restrictions.
Just because some businesses are opening doesn't mean your risk for COVID-19 is gone, Dr. Sonia Angel, State Public Health Officer, said in a statement. We all need to continue to keep physical distancing, wash our hands and wear face coverings in public.
The move to reopen comes as the 7-day new case average in the state reached a new peak Thursday at 2,681.14 cases.
According to data compiled by the Bay Area News Group, more than 3,000 new coronavirus cases were added to the state's totals Friday, and the death toll crossed 4,500, but surges in case numbers can be attributed in part to increased testing around the state.
The new guidance also includes details on reopening RV parks, casinos operated by sovereign tribal nations, and schools. The state plan also suggests specific guidelines for the reopening this fall of schools, which have been shuttered for in-person learning since March.
Most Bay Area counties have expressed a desire to move more slowly through Phase 2 than other counties around the state, including in Santa Clara County where outdoor dining reopened Friday and in San Francisco where outdoor dining won't reopen until June 15.
The updated health order released by Alameda County permits people to form social bubbles of up to 12 individuals in outdoor spaces beginning Monday, June 8. Social bubbles are required to be maintained for a minimum of 3 weeks, and members of a social bubble are only allowed to participate in one bubble at a time.
Alameda County, which tops the Bay Area with 3,725 coronavirus cases, also followed San Francisco's lead and announced it will begin requiring face coverings to be worn at all times by all members of the public. The order includes people who are outdoors, engaged in physical activities and within 30 feet of people outside of their household.
Face coverings protect everyone because people may have COVID-19 and not realize it, County Health Officer Dr. Erica Pan said. My face covering protects you and your face covering protects me.
In Contra Costa County, outdoor dining and outdoor religious services are allowed to reopen, but the guidance on religious services includes a requirement for places of worship to keep a record of attendance that includes the name and contact information for each person at a service or ceremony and preserve the log for 14 days.
During a Friday press briefing, Governor Gavin Newsom said the state will continue to provide guidance for how to reopen certain sectors of local economies, but it's up to individual counties to file attestation forms that will determine when businesses can resume operations.
The California Department of Public Health made an exception for schools, with statewide guidance that includes a list of best practices for the practical realities of managing school operations for the upcoming academic year.
The state has committed to providing no-touch thermometers for every school and childcare facility, face shields for approximately 2.4 million teachers and childcare providers, more than 14 million cloth face coverings for students and 143,000 gallons of hand sanitizer.
Day camps also will be allowed to operate during the summer. The state's Department of Public Health encourages small groups of campers to stay together all day, every day and for camps to prioritize outdoor activities.
Businesses allowed to resume operating in Phase 2 of the reopening process were designated as lower-risk workplaces such as retail, manufacturing and limited personal services such as hair salons. Businesses in Phase 3 are considered higher-risk spaces.
Music, film and television production also are permitted to resume operating with county approval on June 12, but cast and crew members must abide by safety protocols agreed by labor and management that are subject to review by county health officers.
Phase 4 marks the end of California's stay-at-home order and will permit concert venues and sports stadiums to reopen with fans in attendance. Newsom has repeatedly said the state is not yet ready to issue guidance on Phase 4.